Hey, it's Akshay from Kitchen Flames and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. With hot summers likely to continue and setting up new records, it is so important to keep your body fresh and hydrated. So today, I'm cooling this summer with not just one, not two, but 5 refreshing summer drinks which are super easy to whip up at home. So if you enjoyed this video, do give it a like and subscribe to the channel if you're one hell of a foodie. Now let's get into the video.
For the masala cold drink, add 2 teaspoons of jeera powder or cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, salt to taste and 1 teaspoon of black salt. Now add 2 teaspoons of lime juice, few mint leaves and lots of ice cubes. Now pour in any cold drink of your choice. Give it a good stir. Your masala cold drink is ready. Nothing is better than a hot afternoon spent with an ice-cooled masala cold drink in hand. Next up, I'm making shikanji. For this, add in some ice cubes in a glass along with 4 teaspoons of lime juice, 2.5 tablespoons of powdered sugar. You can use jaggery if you want. Then add 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of black salt and salt to taste. Now add in some mint leaves followed by club soda. You can use water if you want. Give it all a good stir. Before serving, garnish it with some cumin powder or jeera powder. And your shikanji is ready. Cool, refreshing and so satisfying. Now making Virgin Mojito. For that I have taken 2 peppermint tablets and will be crushing them into powder. Now in a glass, add in the crushed peppermint powder followed by lime cubes of 1 lime and some mint leaves. Muddle them together. To this, add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, few ice cubes and club soda. Give it all a good stir. Your homemade Virgin Mojito is ready. A refreshing mix of lime and mint, this Virgin Mojito is the perfect drink to cool you down this summer. Next summer drink we have is Orange Fantasy. For that, take a blender, add in some orange fizz drink. To this, add 3 teaspoons of lime juice and some orange juice. Now take 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream and add it to the blender, followed by some fresh mint and few ice cubes. Blend the mixture and transfer it into a glass. Your Orange Fantasy is ready. This drink will be a hit with kids and adults alike. The last drink is the Spiced Buttermilk. For this, take a blender, add in handful of coriander leaves, mint leaves and some homemade curd. To this, add 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of black salt, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and some water. After blending the mixture, strain it through a fine mesh strainer and transfer that spiced buttermilk into a glass. This drink is typically served during summers to help in digestion, reduce body temperature, and give a soothing effect to the body. So these are my 5 refreshing summer drinks to beat the scorching heat. Comment down below what is your favorite. If you enjoyed this video, do give it a like and subscribe to the channel for amazing recipes. See you in the next video.